In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your boring lock screen to this awesome moving wallpaper. Hey, what's up boys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy TechnoTrend back at it again, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step what you guys need to do in order to get your backgrounds to move. So it's going to include your lock screen as well as your home screen. As you guys can see, this is also moving, little electricity in the back's moving, which is awesome. So I'm going to be showing you guys what to look for, how you guys can get your own wallpapers, where to look for them, and all that sort of stuff. So this is absolutely free and you guys don't need anything. But before we begin with the tutorial, I want you guys to go ahead and check out today's active shout out winner. Now this guy did win the active shout. All he did was be active on my channel. If you are liking, subscribing, and staying tuned in the comment section, always commenting on every video, you guys will be able to win one. That's super easy, so please be sure to go ahead and check this guy out. Next, for our last announcement, go ahead and join our Discord server. We have tons of iPhone people in there. If you guys love jailbreaking or just iPhone apps, all that cool stuff, if you're into free movies, free anime, if you guys need help with anything, we're also there for tech support as well. So please be sure to go ahead and join the Discord in the description. We'll see you there. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. What you guys want to do is go ahead and add this repo to Cydia. Now, if you guys are using Cydia or if you guys are using Installer, add it to whichever, but I'm going to be using Installer. This is the same thing as Cydia, just an alternative way to download your tweaks. So what you're going to do once you add the repo, you're going to go ahead and go to search, look up the tweak PokeGoal. Alright, and once you look up PokeGoal, you guys can see it's called PokeGoal LS GIF. So once you look that up, it's going to be the one with an icon. Most likely you'll have an icon. Just make sure to get it from the actual repo instead of someone else's. Click it, obviously install, reboot your device, and it'll be simple to install. Nothing needed extra, just that little installation. Next, go ahead and enter your settings, scroll all the way down to your tweaks section, click PokeGoal. Now this is where the part where you guys need to pay attention comes. So lock screen enabled, make sure this is enabled, as well as home screen enabled. That needs to be on or else it will not work at all. This one and this one need to be on, just so you guys know. Next, you guys can go ahead and use custom GIF. That should be on already. Scale to fit. Now sometimes GIFs that you find on the internet don't fit your entire iPhone screen, so you guys will need to stretch it. But if you guys look up the way I'm looking it up, you guys should be able to find good ones. So now that you have your tweak ready, you're gonna go ahead and try to find your wallpaper. So this is how you're gonna find it. So let's say I'm looking for a show, anime, or whatever. I'm gonna look up, let's say, Goku phone GIF. Now when I look Goku phone GIF, it gives me like the screen size basically of it. So you guys have seen my lock screen, which is this one. Now I'm gonna find another one which also looks cool. So let's try for this one. So once you see it, make sure you tap inside it. Tap it or else it won't give you the full resolution. So once you're inside, go ahead and hold it down, add to photos, and now you save this image. In order to find the images you guys are looking for or the GIFs you guys are looking for, put phone GIF at the end of whatever you're looking for. And of course, make sure it looks like it's gonna fit, because if it doesn't fit your whole iPhone screen, a little piece of it will be black. Something as small as this won't fit, stuff like that, just so you guys know. Next, go into settings, and let's say we're gonna change our lock screen. So let's go to lock screen, which is right here. Select custom image, tap it. I'm gonna go down to animated because it has its own folder for it. Next, I'm gonna choose the one I want. So this is the one we had today. I'm gonna go ahead and click choose. And once you choose it, you can go ahead and apply and respring. And once you apply and respring, it should be on your lock screen and ready to go. That's basically it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please be sure to leave a like and a subscription towards my name. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. See you guys in the next one. Peace.